Amsoil Gasoline Stabilizer, formulated to resist gasoline breakdown. For maximum convenience and cost-effectiveness, equipment and vehicles used seasonally, such as motorcycles, snowmobiles, personal watercraft, snowblowers, outboard motors and classic cars need to start easily and run properly when removed from storage. Gasoline, however, is not formulated for long-term storage and can start to degrade in as little as 30 days. Degraded fuel leads to varnish and sludge that can clog injectors, fuel lines and carburetors, sticking floats and causing poor engine performance and increased maintenance expenses as well as decreased equipment life. Amsoil Gasoline Stabilizer inhibits the oxidation process that occurs when fuel is stored for extended periods, improving performance. Deposits, varnish and sludge that form from degraded fuel can cause important components in the fuel system to become clogged or stuck and require thorough cleaning or replacement. Amsoil Gasoline Stabilizer helps reduce maintenance time and costs by preventing harmful deposits from forming in the tank and fuel system, eliminating the need to clean or replace carburetors after long-term storage. Treating fuel with Amsoil Gasoline Stabilizer prior to storing equipment provides confidence and offers peace of mind that your equipment will not only start when it's needed but will also perform properly. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your Amsoil Gasoline Stabilizer today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the Preferred Customer Program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.